memorable sa akin yun, definitely. Because honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen to me for the next few weeks, few months. So, we'll see. Hindi ko pa alam yung plano ko. I don't know.
Are you hinting about retirement?
We'll see. You will hear it from me, definitely, in the next few weeks. So, nakakalungkot lang. This is really my last game. Nakakalungkot. I think memorable this season is really my last game. So, game 6. Kasi doon lang ako naglaro eh. Doon lang ako naglaro the whole season. So, definitely it's memorable. So, yun.
LA, yung man behind you, Chris Ross, sabi niya kanina sa post-game press conference, you really motivated him nung
Oh
game.
yeah. This guy, we always talk. We're both competitive and a winner. So last game, we did it, and this today, it's just showed that bets can still win games. Yun lang yun. And big games, not necessarily this, big games. So how it is. I mean, diba? He did what he was supposed to do to carry his team. So, at least last game I had my chance. Right, brother?
You know how I feel about you, bro. It's okay. Whatever happens, bro. You know how I feel about you, bro.
Hey, brother, another good game. Huh? Good luck. Good luck, buddy. So we always talk. We're good chat mates. Kasi nga, we're both in the same boat. But he's a winner. So, ayun. So I'll see you when I see you. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so yun lang.